Hello students, today we will start HCF and LCM. I will explain you two questions of HCF and LCM. How to solve this. First question, find the HCF of 18 and 48. Okay. To find HCF of 18 and 48, first of all you have to find all the prime factors of 18 and 48 separately. How you will find? Like this. This is division only. Always check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Start from 2 first. 2 9s are 18. Now this 9 is not divisible by 2, so we can check by 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9, it is divisible by 3, and again 3 1s are 3. You have to continue this process until you get 1. Now same way you will find factors of 48. 2 24s are 48, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again we know that 24 is divisible by 2, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. We have to continue this process until we get 1. Now what are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, and factors of 48, these all are the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. So here you will find common factor. You will find common factors of 18 and 48. Common factors of 18 and 48 are, what are the common factors? 2 and 3. Only 2 factors are in common. So you can write 2 into 3 because 2 and 3 are common. So 2 3s are 6. So 6 is HCF of 18 and 48. Same way you can solve question number second also. This is first and this is second question. I will explain this second also. First find all the factors of 70. So here I am finding factors of 70. Okay, check by 2. 2 35s are 70. Then check by 3. 35 is not coming in table of 3. It comes in table of 5. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Now 105. 105. First I will check it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Now 175. It is not divisible by 2. It is also not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 2, 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Okay. So factors of 70, 105 and 175. What are the factors of 70? 2 into 5 into 7. Factors of 105, 3 into 5 into 7, and factors of 175, 5 into 5 into 7. Now what is common? We have to search common in this. These two factors are common, 5 and 7. So common factors of 70, 105 and 175 are 5 and 7. So what will be HCF? 5 multiplied by 7, so 5 7s are 35. This is your answer. This is called HCF. Now I will explain you how to solve LCM. For solving LCM, okay, first question, 850 and 680. What we have done while solving HCF, we have find all the prime factors separately, and here in LCM we will find all together. Okay, we will find the prime factors together. First of all, I will start from 2. Both the number are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. This is also divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 0 will come as it is. Okay, now this number is not divisible by 2, so I will take it as it is. But this number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, and 0 as it is. Again, this number is not divisible by 2, so I will take as it is, but this number is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, and 2 5s are 10. Now, let's check by 3. This number is not divisible by 3, and this is also not divisible by 3. So from 5, I will check from 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, and this is 85. 5 17s are 85. See, table is very important in this. If you know table of 17, you will directly come to know 5 17s are 85. Now again, 5 17s are 85. In table of 5, 17 is not coming, so I will write this 17 as it is. Now 17 ones are 17, and 17 ones are 17. Okay, so how to find LCM? LCM is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 3 times 2, and 2 times 5 multiply by 17. So what will be your answer? See, I will make pair and multiply. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 10s are 100. Keep in mind. Now what is remaining? 2 and 17. 2 17s are 34, and 34 multiply by 100, 3400. This way also you can check. Now LCM of 12, 16, 24, and 36. Okay, you have 4 numbers. Always start by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 12s are 24, and 2 18s are 36. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, and 2 18s are 36. Again I will check by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, and 2 9s are 18. Divide until it is divisible by any other number. 2 3 is not coming in table of 2, so write as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 9 as it is. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 and 9 will not come in table of 2, so I have written as it is. Now 3 1s are 3, 1, 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9. And at last 3 1s are 3. You have to solve until you get 1. So now what is LCM? 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 multiply by 3. 48 3s are 144. 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. So what is your LCM? 144. So HCF you have to find all the factors separately, but in LCM you will find all together. Now I will explain you factor tree. Okay students, how you will solve factor tree questions? Suppose I have taken 36 and question is asked make a factor tree for 36. Okay, so 36 you can write 6 6 are 36, 2 18s are 36, okay, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36. It depends on you what factor you are choosing. Suppose I am taking here 2 18s are 36. Again this 2 cannot be divided into two parts, but this 18 can be divided. 2 9s are 18. Again this 9 is divided into two parts. 3 3s are 9. This is called factor tree. You can solve like this also. 36. 4 9s are 36. Again this 4 is divided into two parts. 2 2s are 4. And this 9 is also divided into two parts. 3 3s are 9. Okay. You can solve like this also. 12 3s are 36. Again this 12 is divided into two parts. 3 4s are 12, and again this 4 is divided into two parts. 2 2s are 4. This is called factor tree. Suppose I have taken 108. Make a factor tree for 108. So 108 is divisible by, it has many factors. So I am writing 2 54s are, okay. Again you can solve like this. 2 27s are. Again 27 is divided into two parts. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 is divided into two parts. 3 3s are 9. This is called your factor tree. Okay.